At LANDEURO 2025 in Wiesbaden, Germany, a major advancement in battlefield surveillance tech was introduced with the debut of the Black Widow drone, a next-generation, American-developed unmanned aerial system, UAS, built specifically for electronic warfare, EW, environments. Developed as part of the Arachnid family of systems, the Black Widow is engineered to operate effectively in areas where signal disruption, spoofing, and electronic interference are the norm, not the exception. This public unveiling demonstrates a clear tactical shift, empowering ground troops with resilient, flexible tools to navigate today's digital battlegrounds. The drone's design reflects a move toward systems that don't just survive, but thrive, in EW-heavy theaters. Weighing in at a lightweight 3.6 pounds, the Black Widow offers over half an hour of sustained flight under real operational conditions. Its payload, the Teledyne FLIR Hadron 640R+, supplies both thermal and optical imagery, delivering detailed intelligence even in low-visibility or high-threat environments. The inclusion of AES-256 encryption and a secure, frequency-hopping radio by Doodle Labs enables persistent control and data flow, even under active jamming attempts. This is not a commercial drone retrofitted for combat, it's a fully ruggedized, IP-53, rated airframe designed from scratch to meet the US Army's exacting short-range reconnaissance, SRR, standards. Derived from combat experience and operational data gathered from earlier Teal models, the Black Widow represents a culmination of feedback-driven development. Its open architecture means it can be upgraded rapidly, from swapping sensors to integrating more robust navigation systems when GPS is unavailable. The platform's autonomy and sensor integration give it an edge against legacy systems like the RQ-11 Raven. Where older drones often falter when GPS signals are compromised, the Black Widow uses a fusion of vision-based navigation, dynamic frequency selection, and AI-enabled pathfinding to stay functional and accurate. Key technologies like Reveal's Farsight 3D mapping and Athena AI enhance mission planning and execution with real-time terrain analysis, object detection, and automated tracking, features crucial for urban warfare and dense terrain operations. The system's arrival underscores a broader strategic imperative across NATO, developing adaptive, survivable ISR assets as EW threats grow more sophisticated in Europe and beyond. The Black Widow is built for rapid deployment and ease of use, making it ideal for forward-deployed troops, special forces, and joint NATO task forces. Its export-compliant configuration ensures alignment with Allied defense policy while preserving secure supply chains. With its blend of battlefield hardening, high-end modularity, and advanced autonomy, the Black Widow represents the new frontier of tactical drone warfare. It equips troops with a reliable eye in the sky, even when the electromagnetic spectrum is under siege, helping ensure that warfighters stay a step ahead in the most electronically contested battle spaces.